Hi friends, today we are going to take you on ride in the famous Colombo to Kandy train journey. We reserve our seat in second-class compartment. With few more rupees you can reserve first class with air conditioner and little more comfort than second class. There are third class also for cheaper price. You can reserve the seat in advance online. The booking starts 30 days before the date you are expecting to travel. The sooner the better, as the train seats are booked very quickly on weekends. Weekdays you may have more chances to have a seat. You can buy tickets from the counter on the day you are traveling, but you have less chance to get a seat, and traveling 3 to 4 hours standing will be an uncomfortable experience. The Colombo to Kandy Express train start from Colombo Fort Station and end at Kandy, distance approximately 80 miles or 125 kilometers. That takes 3 hours to reach Kandy. The Colombo to Kandy line was the first major route established by the newly formed Ceylon Government Railway in the 1860s, slicing through the forested hills inland from the capital to bring tea and coffee down to the coast to further the economic ambitions of the British Empire. On the way, you will rattle past rolling hills, paddy fields, lush stands of tropical forest, palm trees, villages and small towns. The journey takes you away from hot congested city to more pleasant climate, cool air, greenery surrounding with breathtaking views of mountains. And station attendants standing at attention in old British fashion uniforms remained unchanged even after many years of independence from the British. You will have a chance to observe the culture of the locals from many diverse communities who travel on the train and taste food and snacks from vendors sold on the running train. These travelers may be local tourists on a trip, villagers who travel for different purposes in the city, or people who travel for work. If you like to have an old-fashioned transportation experience, take a tour on these trains. The rhythmic noise made from the iron wheels on the railroad, the shaky compartments, and the loud horn signals the train on the way gives you a weird feeling if you are used to modern mode of transportation. The colorful diesel locos that replaced to the steam trains that once transported tea and spices. If you are a lover of travel by locomotive, consider booking passage on the train. Within 1 hour, you can experience the change of climate from warm to cool and congested city by building into greeny forests with mountains. The scenery out of the window is heavenly beautiful and will be a cherished memory of your trip. We get down from the Peradeniya station and continue our journey to Gampola. Our next destination will be to the most exciting and scariest tower. Ambuluwawa will be post soon on the channel. Stay with us. Walk on the Devil Bridge, Yaka Palama. This railway bridge used by the locals residents as a shortcut to Uda Peradeniya and the University, Kandy, Colombo railway path is laid over Mahaveli River, the longest river in Sri Lanka at this place. It is one of the oldest railway bridge in Sri Lanka,